So, how are you? Fine? Okay. Today I am going to teach you on straight line, very important topic, that is a co-planar. You know what do you mean by co-planar? Means all the planes lies or all the lines lies in the same plane. Okay. Suppose I am showing to you here. It is a plane. So many lines are there. All the lines lies in the web on a single plane, then that lines are said to be a what? Co-planar lines. Right? Okay. About this, I will teach you one example. In this example, I will teach you co-planar, second point of intersection, and also the point containing in these lines. Okay, now fine. See here, I am writing one example to you here. Prove that the lines x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 4, comma, x minus 2 by 3 is equal to y minus 3 by 4 is equal to z minus 4 by 5. What he told? Are coplanar. Also find the point of intersection. Point also you have to find. And the plane containing the lines. Here how many lines are given to us? 2 lines are given. Right or not? Okay. I am writing here the solution how to find out. Very easy. It is a very important topic for your examination. Okay, for solid geometry. Okay. Read this one properly. For all the students of our Hyderabad University students. Okay? Listen properly this one. If you are not getting proper, if you are not understanding properly, just give the comment to me. Again I will explain this one. Okay? Fine. See you. Solution. First, whatever is given, you have to write that. How many lines are given to us? 2 lines. I am writing here. Given lines. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 4. It is one line. Understand? And x minus 2 by 4 is equal, x minus 2 by 3, x minus 2 by 3 is equal to y minus 3 by 4 is equal to z minus 4 by 5. It is another equation. Means another equation of a line. Means 2 lines are given to us. Okay. We know very well that every line has a what? 1 point. Okay. And DCS also. What do you mean by DCS? Direction, cosines. You know now? Okay, fine. The point of equation 1 is, what is that point? Is given x minus 1. Means this is the 1 is there now. This is a x1, this is a y1, this is a z1. Right or not? So the point 1, comma. If it is a minus, you have to write positive. Understand now? Here minus 2, what you have to write? 2. And it is a minus 3, you have to write 3. Have you understand? You got 1 point of what? Equation 1. And the DCS. What do you mean by DCS? Direction cosines. Direction cosines. What are those? Can you tell me? 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4. You got DCS also, right? From equation 1. Similarly, the point of equation 2 is, what is that? Can you tell me in the second equation? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3 and 4. And the DCS means direction cosines of second line. How much? 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5. Have you understand? Okay. Then next what you have to find? First I will find the two lines are what? Coplanar. Okay. And first to show that what? The lines are coplanar. The lines are what? Coplanar. Coplanar. Okay. You know what is the, remember the formula very well. In any problem, we have to use this formula for coplanar. Right or not? What is that you know? It is enough to show that it is enough to show that what? Remember, determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, L1, M1, N1, L2, M2 and N2 is equal to, you have to prove what? 0. If you are getting 0, we have to tell that the two lines are what? Coplanar. Understand? Okay, see here. We know x1, x2 value, y2, y1 value, z2, z1 value. Right? And L1, M1, N1 are the DCS of equation 1. L2, M2, N2 is the what? DCS of equation 2. Okay? Fine. Consider mod of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, here L1, M1, N1, here L2, M2, N2. Understand? Fine. This is equal to, these are the points and DCS. Point, DCS, DCS. Right or not? Okay, right. So tell me, that is equal to determinant of x2 how much? This is the point, right? 2. 2 minus x1 how much? 1. Next, 3 minus 2. Next, 4 minus 3. Have you understand? Okay, fine. Right. Then L1, M1, N1 how much? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And for L2, M2, N2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Fine. This is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4, 5. Understand or not? Now you have to find the determinant of this one. Right or not? How much you have to get the result? 0 you have to get. Right or not? One formula you know in the matrix, right? In earlier classes, intermediate and 10th class. If any one row or any one column are identical, it must and should be the determinant equal to what? 0. Okay? If you are doing like that, otherwise you can solve here also. Right or not? I will solve. That is equal to, right? 1 and 2. Okay? You know how to multiply? 1. First row, first column you have to leave. Cross multiplication of these two. Understand? So tell me, 3 into 5. 15. 3 into 5. Minus 4 into 4. 16. Have you understood now? Okay, fine. The next, second element in the first row. We are putting what? Negative. You know very well, right or not? We studied in 10th class and intermediate. Okay, fine. Minus 1. We have to leave this one and this one. The cross multiplication of these two. 2 into 5. 10. Minus 4 into 3. 12. The next, third one. Tell me. Plus 1 into. Yes, we have to leave what? The last column and first row. Cross multiply this 2. 2 into 4. 8. 3 into 3. Minus 9. Minus 9. That is equal to what you are getting? 1 into 15 minus 16 minus 1 minus 1 into 10 minus 2 minus 2 plus 1 into minus 1. Understand or not? 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus 2 plus into minus 1 minus 1. So what you got? Minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 0. Yes, we got 0. If you are getting 0, so you have to tell that the two lines are what? Coplanar. Therefore, the lines are coplanar. One condition is over. So second condition, what you have to find? The point of intersection. Then after, plane containing the two lines. Right? Okay, fine. See here. Now we have to find intersecting point. Intersecting point. If you want to find out intersecting point, so first we have to find the planes of each line. Right or not? Fine. Given the line. What is the first line? First line, x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 4. Right? From this, we know that every line has two planes, because we know that the unsymmetrical form, this is the symmetrical. Okay, unsymmetrical means the combination of the two planes. Okay, from each line we can find out two planes. Okay, I will show to you. Remember, that is said to be unsymmetrical form of a line. Unsymmetrical form of a line. How is that? This implies, I will take between these two. Right or not? Tell me, 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 2 into what? Y minus 2. That is equal, you are getting that 3x minus 3, 3x minus 3, that implies, is equal to 2y minus what? 4. Understand? Okay. समझ में आ रहा ना? Okay. 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Take minus to that side, plus 3. This implies 3x minus 2y is equal to what? Minus 1. It is the equation number 3. Because two equation, line equation, you have taken 1 and 2. This is a what? 3. One plane you got. Right or not? This is one plane. Again, from this second part of same equation of a line. So tell me, 4 into y minus 2, 4 into y minus 2 is equal to 3 into what? Z minus 3. Understand or not? Fine. So this implies 4y minus 8 is equal to 3z minus 9. Understand or not? Okay, fine. This implies 4y minus 3z is equal to, you take minus 8 that side, minus 9 plus 8. This implies 4y minus 3z is equal to minus 1. Give equation number 4. We got two planes from equation 1. Okay. Similarly from equation 2 also. Right or not? Fine. From equation 2, we have, what is the equation 2? From equation 2, what is that? Tell me, equation 2. Yeah. X minus 2 by 3, y minus 3 by 4, 4 by 5. Okay? Okay. This implies 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 3 into y minus 3. Have you understood? Okay. This implies 4x minus 8 is equal to 3y minus 9. This implies 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 9 plus 8. This implies 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. Give equation number what? 5. Okay. This is one plane equation you got from equation 2. Okay. We will take only one equation. Okay. One is enough. No need to take another one. Right or not? Because in the first equation we got two planes. Here we got another plane here. Total 3 planes are there, right? Solving these 3 planes, we are getting the pointer x, y and z. Understand? Okay, fine. Solving.
So we have got the point of intersection.
Yes, x, y, z you have to find.
To find the plane
Yes.
containing the line, so we need a 3 equation.
Yes, sure.
For the 3 equation, now we are finding the plane containing the line.
Plane containing the lines you have to find. First you have to find what? Intersecting point. Then after plane equation I will tell to you, right? Fine. Solving of 3, 4 and 5. Understand or not? Okay. What is the equation number 4? Equation number 3? 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. This is the equation number what? 3. And equation number 5? Okay. From equation 3 and equation 5. Why? Because 3 and 5 containing both x and y. Is it or not? From that you can eliminate one what? Either x or y. How is that? I will show to you. Right. So tell me equation 3. Equation 3. 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Equation number 5. 4x minus 3y. 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. Right? Fine. See here, equation number 4 containing which variables? Y and z. Right or not? So from this, I will eliminate what? X. So another equation we are getting in terms of what? Y and z. Understand now? Right. So, say here, we have to eliminate x. So what I will do here, 3 and 4 are both are what? Undivisible. Right or not? I will multiply here by 4 and I will multiply here by 3. Okay, subtraction, minus, plus, plus. Understand or not? Fine. Now this is cancelled. Cancel or not? Yes. 4 into minus 2, minus 8y. 3 into, this is a plus, not minus. Why? Because in down plus is there. Right or not? So 3 into 3, 9y. Minus 8y plus 9y. How much you are getting? Y. Understand now? This is minus 8. This is a plus 9. So minus 8 plus 9, y. Minus 4 plus 3. How much? Minus 1. Okay, no problem. Y value, how much you got? Minus 1. Okay, fine. From equation what? From equation 4. What is the equation number 4 in terms of y and z?
4y minus 3z.
4y, 3z is equal to minus 1. Apply y value here. What you are getting? 4 into minus 1 minus 3z is equal to minus 1. 4 into minus 4. Take minus 4 that side. Minus 3z is equal to minus 1 plus 4. Is it or not? And minus 3z is equal to what you got? 3. 3 or not? Okay. So z is equal to how much? 3 by minus 3 is equal to how much you got? Minus 1. So z value you got how much? Minus 1. You got y value minus 1, z value minus 1. Right? Next we have to, yes, any equation. From equation 3. Equation 3. What is the equation 3? 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. This implies 3x minus 2 into y value minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Understand or not? Fine. So this implies This implies 3x, you have minus minus what? Plus. You take that side is equal to what is that? Minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This implies x is equal to minus 3 by 3 cancel, we got 1. So we got x, y, z value, right or not? Therefore, the intersecting point, how much you got? X, y, z value, x comma y comma z is equal to got minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. So you got intersecting point. Have you understood or not? Now what you have to find? The plane containing between the two lines. Okay, fine. It is very simple. Okay. Now plane of two lines. Two lines. We know the formula. What is that? See here, remember. The equation of plane containing two lines, when two lines are given to us, two lines is, what is that? Mod of, remember, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2 is equal to what is that? 0. Right or not? Fine. This implies mod of x minus, see here, this x1, y1, z1 is a point of equation 1. Line equation 1. What is the line equation 1 values? x1, y1, z1? Yeah? First equation.
X minus 1 by
Yeah, tell me. X minus 1. Next.
y minus 2.
y minus 2, z minus 3. You can take first equation point or second algebras, no problem, right or not? And L1, M1, N1, how much? L1, M1, 2, 3, 4, and L2, M2, N2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to what? 0. Now solving this, we are getting that this implies, tell me, x minus 1 into, we have to leave this side base, first column, 3 into 5, 15 minus what? 16. Understood or not? Minus of y minus 2. We have to leave this side base. 2 5s are 10. Minus 4 3s are 12. Plus z minus 3 into this and this we have to leave. 2 into 4, 8. Minus 3 into 3, 9. Have you understood now? Fine. Is equal to how much? 0. This implies 15 minus 16, minus 1. So minus 1 into x minus 1. Next, 10 minus 12, minus 2. Minus 2 into minus, plus 2 into y minus 2. Next, 8 minus 9, minus 1. Minus 1 into z minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies minus x plus 1 plus 2y minus 4 minus z plus 3 is equal to 0. This implies minus x plus 2y minus z plus 1 plus 3. How much? Plus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. Is equal to how much you got? And this implies for the first variable x containing what? Minus. You will take minus common outside. Okay, take that side. You are getting x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0 is the equation of plane containing the lines. Containing the lines. Have you understand? This is the coplanar of the given lines. Okay, very very important topic for your coming examination for all over India. They can see this video and comment to me. If you are getting any doubts, ask me again and again. I will give to you. I will explain on the proper way in Telugu, Hindi, English, whatever language you want. In that language, I will explain to you. Okay, bye.